Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity sets sail on a riverboat journey alongside the whispering trees. Join us in the exploring the tranquil beauty of nature through Rosie's artistic lens. As the river gently flows, witness the magic unfold on canvas, capturing the harmony between water, trees, and imagination. Immerse yourself in the rhythmic strokes of Rosie's brush as she navigates the river's gentle currents, translating the essence of the landscape onto her canvas. From the rustling leaves to the reflections on the water's surface, Artistic Adventures by Rosie invites you to join this creative odyssey. Subscribe for a front row seat to witness the fusion of art and nature as Rosie's riverboat becomes a floating studio, weaving dreams with every paintbrush. Experience the beauty, tranquility, and boundless inspiration. Subscribe now to embark on a serene artistic voyage with Rosie, where every stroke paints a picture of scenic tranquility. Let's sail together into the heart of nature's inspiration. Welcome aboard. Thank you.